Excellent, we're making great progress. That's 2 holes completed and we've got 1 more to go. Come with me and I'll take you around. Hi there and welcome to the Practical Classics Classic Car and Restoration Show. Well, next on our list we're going to head down and check out the guys from Ford Classics UK. So come with me, but we're looking for a 1974 Ford Escort Mk3 Mark I together with the 1988 Ford Escort 1.6 GL, and this is the one we're here to see today, the 1959 Ford Anglia. It's got a 3-speed gearbox, 2-door as you can see, 30,000 miles on the clock, and it's powered by an 850cc engine. Take a deep breath. So let's work our way through the crowd, and we're looking for the stand belonging to RO Performance and Restoration. Ah, that looks like it. There's the Mark III Ford Escort and the 1959 Ford Anglia. You can see there's been a lot of interest in the stand and a lot of people stopping. This really is a supermodel from 1959, so let's have a look through the profile portfolio. There's minimal chrome on this, but it looks good on the wheels, the mirrors and the bumpers, and of course the door handles and the window surrounds. Not too much. I tell you something that you can look at just before the camera pans down the near side of the car, and that's at the front. You've got an AA and an RAC badge. How's that? It's really hard to actually think that this car is 63 years old, from 1959, and it's being presented by the guys at Ford Classics UK, supported by RO Performance and Restoration. I like it, this looks super. And check out those retrofit seat belts. Anyway, there's lots of things you could do with a car like this, but you know what? I kind of just like it the way it is. I've noticed when people are visiting the stand and they see the 2 chopper bikes, a big smile comes right across their face. Okay, so let's have our last looks at the Ford Anglia. And once again, many thanks to the guys from FC UK, Ford Classics UK, and RO Performance and Restoration supporting. Thank you. Okay, next time out we're going to have a look at the 1.4 Ford Escort Mark III Estate GL. So that'll be coming your way next time out here on SLR.tv with myself, Stevo. And there's a good story behind this one. You'll never believe the mileage on it.
Hello everybody. Hiya. Toot toot. Beep beep. Well, that was fantastic, the Ford Anglia. And next time round we can look at the Ford Escort Mark III. Okay, remember to give us the thumbs up, and we'll look forward to catching you next time on SLR TV. Right, Stevo, what did you think? Stevo, what did you think of the Ford Anglia?
Wow, that was amazing.
Thanks for tuning in to SLR TV. Toot toot, beep beep, see ya.